The spare tire on a 2016-2023 Toyota Tacoma is located underneath the rear of the vehicle, secured by a keyed lock. First, locate the toolkit, which contains the key for the lock and the winch handle. It's typically found in a compartment under the rear passenger seat or in the bed toolbox, depending on your trim. Insert the key into the lock on the tire carrier cover, found under the rear bumper. Turn the key to unlock it, then use the winch handle to rotate the mechanism counterclockwise, lowering the spare tire. Once the tire is fully lowered, unhook it from the cable. The jack and lug wrench are stored with the toolkit, essential for changing a flat tire. To change a flat tire, first ensure your vehicle is on a stable, level surface. Engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks for added safety. The jack should be positioned under the designated frame points, which are marked on the underside of the vehicle. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Once loose, fully remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire onto the wheel studs. Then hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle using the jack, then fully tighten the lug nuts with the wrench. Check the lug nuts again after driving a short distance. It's also a good idea to inspect your spare tire system annually to prevent any lock failures.